Hello. Oil prices rose today as the hurricane nearing the U.S. Gulf Coast led to supply concerns. The storm hit Cuba on Monday and is likely to cause power outages and impact crude production. The hurricane follows a fire at a Marathon petroleum refinery last week. However, these disruptions may only support crude for the short term, as demand worries still remain in the world's two biggest economies, the U.S. and China. All eyes are currently on key economic data to be released this week, including the job opening survey later today. According to CNBC, Google is planning to begin licensing mapping data to businesses constructing products focused on renewable energy. The tech giant is preparing to sell access to new application programming interfaces that contain solar and energy information. The company is aiming to raise up to $100 million in its first year after launch. Target firms for the product encompass a variety of sectors such as real estate groups and solar installers, including Tesla Energy, as potential buyers. NIO posted second quarter earnings today of adjusted loss per share of 3.28 yuan, worse than expectations of a 2.96 yuan loss, with revenue coming in at 8.77 billion yuan, also missing the 9.16 billion yuan expectation. The Chinese electric vehicle maker delivered a total of 20,520 vehicles in the quarter, which reflect a 6.1% decline from the same period in 2022. Best Buy also reported second quarter earnings today with EPS of $1.22 and $9.58 billion revenue versus the consensus estimate of $1.07 EPS and $9.52 billion revenue. These results correspond to the high end of the outlook Best Buy had shared in May. The decrease in comparable sales was smaller than expected, and the company's gross margin was reported at 23.2%, beating expectations by 60 basis points. As Phillip Capital Team, we wish you happy and healthy days.